Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on OVHcloud. Go to QNAP Download Center and download the QuTScloud VMDK image file. Go to the OVHcloud portal and log in with your OVHcloud credentials. Go to the public cloud page. Go to the Horizon page and log in with your OVHcloud Horizon credentials. Go to the image page and create image. Type the image name. Select the image file download from QNAP Download Center. Select the image format. Create the image. After the image created, you can see the image on the image list. Go to the volume page and create volume. Type the volume name. Select the volume size. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. Create the volume. Go to the Instances page and create instance. Type the INSATNCES name. Select the image we created. Select the compute mode. Launch the instance. After the instance launched, back to the volume page and attach the volume to the instance. Back to the instance page. Now you can access QuTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the INSATNCES page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the Initialize video in the description. Thank you for watching.